So this is the Makita brand name. Once again, it comes in the same old Makita box. There it is. That's some oil. Alright.
Throw it away.
No way is this we want. Okay. So this.
Yeah, pop it into it should go and let's put a few things on.
Makita.
Just load it.
Yeah. Brand nailer. There you go. You see on these brad nails, they have those little grooves right over there. So that goes into one of these little grooves right over there. And then...
And all the different sizes. That's as easy as that. Awesome.
Then just wait for this.
So we want to attach the draw sides, so these little bits, today with a brad nailer. Oh yeah. What are those things called?
What? Those are like it's a cover jig.
A cover jig.
I don't know. A draw jig. Slide jig or whatever.
There we go. So we're gonna brad nail those little sticks on.
It's definitely a 4.
Wow.
2 more in there.
Just see it. It's blooming awesome.
Okay, that one's done.
Nice.
Okay. Now I need to mark up the next 2.
Can you go in?
Yeah. You can do that. And I will do the fun part.
There we go. Brad nailer works.